Everyday Australians rely on the efficient and safe movement of goods to their homes, business, retail shelves and construction sites. The Australian transport industry employs over 1 million people, representing 8.6% of the nation's GDP. Australia's freight is expected to almost double by 2030 and nearly triple by 2050. Greater efficiency across freight supply chains is therefore critical to Australia's growing economy. In Australia, there are over 40,000 transport companies using multiple transport modes: road, rail, air and sea. Multiple parties such as consignor, consignee, freight forwarders, carriers and sometimes customs and port authorities. But there is currently no standard approach to identify and track the movement of goods from origin to destination. Manual processes where staff identify, check and sort items are inefficient and cost the transport industry significant time, money and resources. There are problems with visibility when transport companies assign their own proprietary numbers. Multiple numbers used by multiple companies make it difficult to locate goods in the supply chain. Transport companies use individual labels, so remembering which label to use for which transport company is often confusing and complicated. Relabeling goods for each transport provider can also be difficult to manage and maintain. The new Australian Transport Label Standard, based on GS1 Open Global Supply Chain Standards, provides a solution to all these problems. It enables businesses to reduce waste caused by relabeling freight as it travels across a multi-leg supply chain. Improve interoperability and visibility across the multiple transport carriers by providing a common tracking identifier to all parties. Improve productivity and reduce costs in the supply chain. Each label has a license plate known as a Serial Shipping Container Code (SSCC) to uniquely identify the logistic or transport unit across different transport buyers and providers. Australian Logistics Council research indicates a 1% improvement in supply chain efficiency to boost GDP by $2 billion. The Australian Transport Label Guideline has the potential to help achieve this goal. Stronger supply chains equal a stronger Australia.